Hi, I'm Amr, and this is
Makeen.
and he's my little brother, and I'm your
Big brother.
And today we're gonna be making
Oobleck.
Oobleck. Welcome. And today we thought we could start off with some
Igloo.
igloo. Okay, so today we're gonna be making
Oobleck.
Can you come here? Because the camera can't see it.
Oobleck.
We're gonna be making Oobleck. For those of you who don't know what Oobleck is kind of like slime.
Yes.
But it's like exactly like water when it's left alone, right?
Yeah, and sometimes like it gets stickier when it's hard.
What we're gonna need supplies. We're gonna need cornstarch.
Boom.
We're gonna need a bowl. Oh my god! And we're gonna need a cup. So we're gonna start. Okay?
Bruh.
Why did I throw away the cup? See, we got tires. We put water in here. So to make the recipe is 1 part water and 2 parts cornstarch. So we're gonna fill this up with cornstarch.
One.
Okay. Well, it turns out we won't need this. Put that back. 1 part cornstarch. Okay, now you're gonna make the second one, okay? It's gonna get in the. Oh, forgot something. Here, you get the second poured in. While I see it. So. Need more. Come on, get more. Get more. Oh my god! No. We're supposed to be making Oobleck, not trying to get into clown school. Okay, so now. Oh, you see this? Look, it's hard. It's hard, right? Now I let go. It turns to water. Then it's hard again. Oh my god, this is. As you can see, parents, my hand was just covered in Oobleck. I just put it in underwater and it's good now. But it turns out we need a little bit more cornstarch. Now I'm gonna mix it. My hand gets stuck and then it goes in. I'll show you how easy it is to clean. See this? A bowl. So I don't get water everywhere.
This is the big mess.
Look at this arm. It's covered in Oobleck. See this? My hand's covered in Oobleck. How to wash it off? Just put it here. See, it's Oobleck. Then you pour some water on. And then the Oobleck disappears. And now what do you think we should do with this? The Oobleck.
Ooh, it's big.
And here is our baby brother playing with the Oobleck we made. Here, wow. And don't worry, this it's also, I'd say edible. This is also edible since it's made of cornstarch and water. You can eat it. No harm done to baby. I'm playing with it too. End of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like. Come on, get in here.
And subscribe.
See you guys next episode of Pro Bros.
Bye bye. Ni hao.
Me how's hello.
Bye.